Hey, here we go. I'm recording the video showing you all how to go through the clerk of courts. This is for Duval County that I'm showing you today, whether you're a student or a new recruit or someone I'm doing a joint venture with, or either one of my assistants. I have assistants all across the world, so I needed to make this video for you all. Okay, here I'm doing Duval County. However, once you learn this strategy, this technique, you can basically go through any clerk of courts throughout the nation, anywhere you could think of, and pull up some amazing shit. I'm telling you. So, okay, for my assistants only, everyone else this will be blurred out, but this is my username. So, Ricardo is the main person I'm talking to with today. Ricardo, you'll put in this username here. And as for passcode, I'm going to email you or message you the passcode just in case my editors end up uploading this or making a mistake to upload this. I don't want to build their omissions and error insurance. But anyway, so you click on that once you get the passcode, Ricardo, and you might have a bidder letter or something like that comes up. Anything that comes up ahead of time, just click OK. It's nothing. Click OK again. There's no need for you to read all of that. Our sole job that we're going to be doing today is finding any investors, any companies that gather tax deeds, or they like to pay for tax deed certificates. So we're gonna focus on tax deeds today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the calendar. The calendar is going to show the next dates. You can even go back. I'm not sure how far you can go back right now, but we're going to go forward because we're going to just try to stay going forward always in life. However, if you run out of tax deeds and there's not a lot of them, then of course you can always go back. I think it goes up to a year. Different counties, different states is different, but for Duval, I think it goes back a year. So we're going to click on tax deed, the auction. The next auction is coming up is on the 14th of, actually this is an old one. But anyway, it's still on the calendar date. So we're going to just look it up. Find out some information about it, Okay, so this particular person sold to a third party. And that might have been a good one too. 11th, that's okay. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go down here. Okay, we see legal title holder, applicant. So this is who put in the application. You see it says applicant. Anytime you see applicant, that is the individual that put in the application in order for the property to even go to tax deed auction. So we always want to go and we want to grab applicant. And if you are a bank, okay. Yes, so if you are an assistant of mine or either recruit one of my students, then you can, what you want to do is you want to copy and you want to paste, put it on a different spreadsheet. Me preferably, I put all of my information on Podio. And if you're going to put it on a spreadsheet, then you want to do it through Google Spreadsheets, or either Google Docs, something where you're not going to erase or you're going to lose any of the content that you scraped or gathered from the clerk of courts documents or records. So you want to always copy, highlight it, copy, paste, put it either in a Podio system or either put it in, which is a CRM system. I'm teaching my students about that as well. It's a necessary tool. But if you don't have that and you're working just with regular documents, make sure you use Google Documents or Google Spreadsheets. Okay, so I'm kind of doing this off of the freestyle. So we're going to just kind of go through it to other tabs to see if I can make it easier. I can find this stuff all the time. However, my goal is to simplify it and to also allow you all to build with me as I'm going through the process. You're building with me. You're learning stuff that I might not have learned. I might not know, or certain skills that I wasn't applying to it. So, okay, so there you go. You put in applicant. And that's exactly what you want to do. Put in applicant. Now I was looking where I can find the third party bidder. Sometimes they show them, sometimes they don't. This one it didn't show it, so all we want to do is gather the applicant. Okay, so we're gonna go to another one, just in case you guys. So we're gonna just go back. Let me move the screen over a tad bit. Okay, we're gonna go back. Okay, we go back. Okay, we click on it's another one. They bought 32204. Okay, assessed value was 14. They paid 7,500. Okay, let's click on that. See what exactly happened. Okay, this one did go to auction. It did sell. It did say that it sold to a third party. And scroll down. Wow, here's the same applicant. So these guys are very, very aggressive. And as you can see it, you can even start to see a trend. You know, where they paid 7,500 for this one, and the assessed value was 14,000. So when you scroll back, we're gonna go back again, go back to the last one that we just showed you. And the last one we just showed you, they paid 18,000. The assessed value was 32,000. So that go to show you, and this is the same exact applicant. So these guys are, well, actually they're not the buyer. I take that back. So don't even worry about that. That's something that I will explain in more detail when with my students. But as for the assistants, if I'm showing you this video, your main job is to go through each one of the auction dates, pick a property, click on the link, see who put in the bid for it. Same company. Put everything in. Same company. Same company. Okay. So let's go back. I'm trying to find another company so you all can see that it's just not the same company buying all these things up. But honestly, it's only a few of them that, well, I'm not going to say a few. It's tons of them that buy them up. But a lot of times you will see the same person because it's a great investment. I mean, you can't really beat it, to be honest. Can't really beat it. So that's the same person. Okay, now come on now. Somebody else got to give me somebody. Bidder walked away. Same person. So, and you know what? To bring it back, let's go back. Let's go back to that. Now, if the bidder walked away, a lot of times we could go back through these and it's a chance to bid on them again, and they're gonna bid for even less. Is this a great neighborhood? I'm really not sure right now. It does say Timuquana area. It does have a low assessed value. However, what I want you to do is talking to my assistants, my students, but specifically my assistants. I want you to copy and paste the address and notate that that address is going through a rebid. Okay. So, because we need to know the rebids. That's an opportunity. Anytime an opportunity is there, we're going to take advantage of it. Okay, so we scroll through. Takes a little bit of time. Really no sweat. Okay. Same people. Same people. So, you know, there's no need to keep copying and pasting those people. You just copy them one time, and then you keep going. You just keep going. You just keep going. Keep going. Same people. Same people. Wow, these people got a lot of cake, man. So I'll tell you one thing about it. We will be contacting them today. That's a whole nother video on showing you how to contact them. That's exclusive. Only my students will be able to get that. And yes, we do have classes that range from $1,000 to $50,000. Easy, because, I mean, you can get $50,000 back in your first move. And then from that point on, you'll be making tons of money. Way past that. And it makes sense to make tons of money, right? So, let's scroll back through. It's the same person. Really, honestly, they get me so pissed off. I think that they win and they just bid it on. You know, and that's what a lot of these guys do. You know, we could get into some of that too. But a lot of them, they go and they just bid on. So we're going to go, I'm going to go 5 pages away. Just because I want to find somebody else. You know, that's different. They redeemed it. But however, someone still had to put in a certificate. Now, okay. No party information on that one. No party, no party, no party. Alright, so sometimes they're not going to show no party, especially if they're redeemed. Okay, let me hurry up. That's actually my assistant is beeping in right there. Let me hurry up. Hopefully this. Okay, see? Here we go. We got another one. So you just copy, paste. Bang. Boom. That's done. Done deal. Just like that. So, and that's how it goes. I want to make the video short and sweet. All my videos I normally stop very short and sweet. So we're going to stop this one. And that'll be about it. If you have any other questions, you know, place your questions in the comment, email me. But before you do anything, definitely make sure that you go and like the video. View the video, like it over and over again, share it, tell your friends about it. Because as long as you keep watching my videos, you probably end up getting enough of information where you could go and get wealthy on your own. You know, and it's pretty much for free. However, if you want you want the best information, you want new product, you want to deal with developers that's going to put you on the edge in the real estate industry that's still dealing with slow software programs. If you want to deal with a more modern investor like myself, someone that's, you know, that's very tech savvy, that's very good at guerrilla marketing and calibrating sellers from not wanting to sell to dying to sell, then, you know, you can even text me. I won't pick up the phone because a lot of times I'm too busy, but text me at area code 904-834-1113, and we could probably work something out. I might even joint venture with you and let you use some of my funding. I got funders everywhere, from California to New York to all of the southern region, from Florida to Texas. Anyway, watch the video. Don't watch it too long. Steady long, steady wrong. Make it happen. Let's go.